Dear students, young residents, dear faculty, dear EHA education team. It is really my great pleasure to warmly welcome you officially now to our second Lighting the Flame retreat here in the wonderful city of Tallinn. We hope that we could inspire you with this wonderful program created by EHA's education team and the faculty. Hematology is a wonderful specialty. In my opinion, it covers everything. And I hope that this will inspire you and will help you to stay with the wonderful specialty of hematology.